be learning how to place an order and the different kinds of orders that can be placed using the TradeSmart 2.0 mobile application. There are three ways using which you can place an order using our mobile app. The first is through the watch list. If your required stock is already added to your watch list, for example, gold petal, as you can see, has been added to my watch list. I can simply place the order by clicking on gold petal and then clicking on the buy button. The second way using which you can place an order is using the chart section. For example, if you have been analyzing the candlestick pattern for a certain stock, you can directly buy the certain stock on the same screen using the buy button in the bottom of the screen. The third way is by searching for a certain stock. For example, I would like to buy the Yes Bank stock. I have searched for it. The first stock that I can see, I can buy by just clicking on it and then clicking on buy. Now, let's talk about the various kinds of orders that I can place using this application. When I click on the stock that I want to buy, for example, Yes Bank EQ is the stock that I'm going to buy today. I have two options, the NSE or the BSE version. I'm going to go with the NSE, and then I can choose if I want the order to be a simple order, a bracket order, a cover order, or an AMO. The simple order is your normal order. The BO or the bracket order is an intraday order with a specified target and stop loss. The CO or the cover order is an intraday order with a specified stop loss. And the AMO is the after market order, which can be placed only after 4:05 p.m. It shall be placed on the next trading session, as in the order will get executed the next day the market reopens. I'm going to place a simple order today. The next features that are available to me is choosing whether the order will be delivery, intraday, or NRML. The delivery order means that I can hold the stock in my Demat account for a longer period. Intraday order would be that I will have to buy and sell the stock on the same day before 3:15 p.m. If I fail to sell the stock before 3:50 p.m., the orders will be squared off and I will be charged rupees 30 plus GST. The NRML or the overnight order can be placed only in derivatives trading and is not applicable for the equity trading. So I'm going to place a delivery order today. I can also choose the order type that I want to. For example, there is limit, market, stop loss limit, and stop loss market. The limit order is when I want to buy a certain stock below the market price. As you can see, the market price currently is 25.25 rupees or 0.30 rupees. If I have to buy a limit order, it will be something below, that is current, or the below price of 25.30 rupees. The market price, if I select the market order type, it will not ask me to input a price as it buys the stock on the current market price. Stop loss limit. Stop loss limit and stop loss market are both types of orders where you can control the losses that you are witnessing. You will be asked to input a trigger price, and with stop loss limit, you'll also be asked to input the price you want to buy the stock on. I'm going to buy a limit order today at rupees 25. I can also select the lot size or the quantity that I want. For today, I'll be buying only one. And by just sliding the button, I can place the order. As you can see, once I've placed the order, it's in the open order section as it was a limit order with a price below the market price. Using the open order section, I can also modify or cancel the order. So as you can see, I've clicked on the open order, for example, my Yes Bank order that I've just placed, and I can either modify or cancel the order. Let's modify the order to a price that is equivalent to the market price. Let's say 25.30, and I buy it again. As you can see, it has been removed from the open order section and has been sent into the all orders section. Now, let's talk about the all orders section. This is also called the order book, where you can see all of the orders that you have placed. Let's start with complete orders. Now, these are orders that have been executed, and you can choose to repeat it if you would like by just clicking on the repeat button. You can also view the details by just clicking on the order that you have placed and also view the chart as well. Now, let's talk about cancelled orders. Using the open order section, I can also cancel an order and it will still be viewed in my order book as cancelled. I can also choose to repeat this order. The next type of order is a rejected order. Now, as you can see, I had placed an order for the SBIN stock and it has been rejected. Your rejection reason can also be visible when you click on the stock that has been rejected. For example, my stock for SBIN has been rejected because of margin shortfall, as it shows me that the shortfall is 1308.43 rupees and my available fund or available margin was 5000 rupees. That means I have to add 1308.43 rupees in order to place this order again and for it to be completed. To know more about your particular rejection reason or any other issue that you are placing, you can contact our support team for instant help or also view our FAQ page on the TradeSmart website. Thank you so much for watching.